So let's talk car interiors. So essentially, if you've got a car that's a little bit older because you just don't care and you're very much A to B functionality, or you're just happy with what you got, but you're missing out on a lot of things like navigation, smart apps, connectivity, etc. Yes, you can do that. You plug in a cigarette lighter, plug in your phone, and then you're using your phone for your navigation, etc., etc., etc. But there are other solutions out there, and you've probably seen millions of them, mainly from manufacturers where they retrofit in the screen and then you add in all the connectivity. But that comes at a pretty penny. However, this is the CarPod Go. Essentially, it's a $250 multimedia device that acts as your portal into all the connectivity you'll ever need, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And in this review, we're going to give you an overview of what the CarPod Go is capable of, and also why it could be the thing that makes your car smarter. They should pay me for that tagline. Anyway, let's cut across to what the CarPod Go has in its box, because it's quite a lot. So CarPod Go, let's quickly touch on what's in the box quickly, very, very quickly. So you get a fixed mount, 9-volt power cord, OTG cable, suction cup and mount, and a backup camera, essentially a dash cam as well. You can, for example, like what we would do is just connect it via normal USB cable to a cigarette lighter. Pretty much the same thing if you wanted to do that, or you can use a 9-volt plug that they give you in the box. So you get tons of value for your money when you're spending that $249 for the CarPod Go T3 Pro. Try and say that 2 times fast. You get tons of value for money. However, let's look at functionality. So connection is via Bluetooth. So pop in your phone, chuck in the codes, and then you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Boots up very quickly. We used Android Auto, for example, and it's super, super simple. It's exactly as it would be on your phone or on your high-end performance vehicles where they have built-in Android Autos like BMW, Porsches, VW, for example, just to name a few. So here you benefit from one main thing, and that is this is mirroring your phone on a much larger screen. So let's take Google Maps, for example. Live traffic information is actually live. There's not preloaded apps in the actual console itself. They come in directly from your phone. So traffic information will be easy to access. You can also use Waze if you wanted to, and you still benefit from all the functionality that you would get on your Android smartphone. So for example, you get your messages, your calls, etc. You get some additional apps. You could even, if you wanted to, use Google Assistant for totally wireless access to traffic destinations, or if you want to change locations, or you want to drop off someone or somewhere and you don't want to interact because you're still driving, you can use Google Assistant and it works absolutely flawlessly. So there's a huge benefit of having something like the CarPod Go T3 Pro, because it would allow all the audio to come out through the car, but also you benefit from all the features as if you had an actual aftermarket normal Android or Android CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, sorry, system in your car. But this costs significantly less. So you get tons of features, tons of stuff in the box as well. Essentially, you're making your X-year-old car smart, which is pretty sick. What are our final thoughts on the CarPod T3 Pro? Well, one feature we absolutely love is this magnetic mount. Massively underrated and a massive winner as well. Let's talk ports quickly as well. So you've got USB, mic, AV in, audio, and then your power lead as well. So it's super, super simple, very easy to use and navigate. And as we showed you in the B-roll we showed you earlier, it gives you an idea as to how that functions and the benefit it brings to you as the user. At $249, it's insane value for money, because you can upgrade your car for a small portion of money when you compare it to aftermarket refits, for example, from a manufacturer, or just an aftermarket system. They can cost double, if not triple the amount. And most likely, they're not going to offer the same features. Mirroring your phone on a screen is a genius idea. 60 FPS, super vibrant, easy to use and navigate. It's a simple question. If you need it and you value it, buy it. That's as simple as that. I think there's so many reasons to buy this over your phone. I think to use on your phone, the main thing being it keeps you away from distractions, because it'll manage all your notifications, all your emails, messages, calls, navigation's all on one screen, so this takes you away from taking your eyes off the road or having that need to touch your screen if you did get a message because you want to read it. You're not at fault, you're human. Most people are like that way. However, quick thing, if you are looking to buy a CarPod T3 Pro, click the description, go into it, click the link, it'll take you to the CarPod Go website. In that description, you'll also find a discount code. Chuck that in. For our viewers and subscribers, there's a nice little discount for you if you wanted to order a CarPod Go T3 Pro. I'm never gonna be able to say that two times fast. Thank you for CarPod for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. Until the next one, as always, we out.